All right, I want to thank you for tuning in the video today. Today we're going to talk about one of the best upgrades I've done to this camper. One of the upgrades that I think that moving forward, if I ever purchase another RV, 100%, it's going to make it to this house, and that's probably the only distance I'm going to pull it to make this adder, right? Since I've done this, I've probably put about 4,000 miles towing this camper across the U.S., and you know, it made a significant difference. This is not something you spend the money on and go, yeah, you know, I can tell a little bit. This is something that when you do it at 100%, I mean, the stopping distance, when I hook my truck up to this trailer, my stopping distance, I feel like the trailer's stopping my truck. It's pretty amazing feeling. And then also watching my temperatures drop almost 30, 40 degrees. I mean, you know, my temps on my tires, because I've got the trailer TPMS, you know, they would get up to, you know, 185, 190, and, you know, and now I see maybe 140, 150, you know, and so disc brakes have reduced a lot of heat on my tires. They've done everything that I wanted them to do. But not only that, just having the confidence, you know, when you're towing, somebody gets in front of you, you know, you try to keep 8 to 10 seconds in front of you, try to keep a couple car lengths, you know, because you know, when you hit the brakes, you're going to be pushing on them and you need this thing to stop. The next thing is, you know, when you've got these 50-foot trailers and you're rolling and you get a yellow and a red light, you know, and it's fast, it's yellow, red, you know, and before it's like, you know, you had to make that commitment. I'm already, you know, there's no way I can stop. I'm fixing to enter the intersection and it's yellow. And so having these is amazing. That's the best way I can put it to you. Hitting the brakes, it just absolutely shuts down. It is crazy. So number one recommendation, if you've got an RV, you know, you're over that 12 to 15,000 pounds, and if you're on the fence about it, it's just amazing. I pulled it with my Ford, I pulled it with my Denali, you know, pulled it with all the trucks with these disc brakes, and 100%, all the trucks, absolutely, it just stops the truck. So anyway, just wanted to put this out there for you today. If you haven't seen the video of the install, I'll post it here. I'll try to get the link up for you. You know, it's the full install, kind of what it takes to do that. You know, if you're mechanically inclined, you can do it on your own, or go drop it off at the trailer place and have it done. But it is money well spent. You know, when I have my family and I'm driving down the road with this camper, towing it, knowing I can shut it down and stop as good as it does, 100%. And guys, Deemax is not, you know, they're not telling me to do this. I'm doing it because y'all as my followers and people that watch my channel and, you know, looking for upgrades to do on your RV, stuff like that. First money spent, put the disc brakes on it. You won't regret it. And so, you know, in compared to the electric brakes, you know, on the fade, you know, and especially like, you know, you're going through Louisiana, you know, you're going to the Lake Charles, you're going to go over that big bridge, you know, you're stressed, you're tense, you know, you're worried about, they're not really going up it, but it's the going down, right? It's that fade you get in those electric brakes. You don't get any of that with those disc brakes, man. I feel like I could stop that thing on a dime, going down that bridge if I had to at any point in time. And so, anyway, just wanted to say that. If you haven't done it, haven't looked into it, give Deemax a holler. You've got to have a couple axle specs for them just so they know what to send you. But man, they send the kits, and if you do a wheel bearing change, you know, go ahead and do it. I mean, you're already going to have everything broke down. And the hubs they send you have the bearings, the races already pressed in. It's ready to go. All you do is add the grease, put them on the spindles. So anyway, if you want to watch my whole video on the installation, but 100%, my subscribers, my followers, even my non-followers, if you're considering doing something on a big RV like this, do the brakes. So anyway, thanks for watching the video. Please hit that like and subscribe to help Jenny. And I'll drop Deemax's link in the description. And anyway, catch you on the next video.